Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Mercedes Benz 500SEL. This casting is the Hotwheels Premium and it's from Fast and Furious, celebrating 25 years of Fast and Furious. If I'm not wrong, this is from the Tokyo Drift movie and it was at the last moment when the car crashes with one of the actors. So this is that car. Now if you don't know about premiums, they come with better detail, metal base, rubber tire, better paint, nicer wheels. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Mercedes Benz 500SEL out of its box, and first thing first, comes in this nice silver paint. Looks good, looks classy, looks good on most of the marks. Now on the front, it's got some good details. As you can see, you've got a detailed grille, detailed headlamp, a lower bumper finished in black, and a splitter in the bottom too. Looks really good. Also got a Mercedes badge on the hood and both the mirrors. Does miss out on windshield wipers though. One thing you will notice, unlike most of the premiums, this one is heavily tinted. I think it's because of the movie. The car in the movie was also tinted dark, so I think they just tried to follow it. It does have a full interior. I can confirm that. I used a light to look into it. Can't show on the camera though. Now moving to the driver's side, you do see the windows open, lowered down, just like the movie, I guess. And let me try and use an extra set of light to see if you can see the interior view. You see, you can see the interior down there in the black. Because it's so tinted, so you don't really see the interior without the light, but it has some good details in the interior too. Has a steering wheel, proper Merc style steering wheel, which looks good. Apart from that, you've got these nice looking multi-spoke wheels, low profile tires I guess, but they look nice through the rubber. You also got detailed door handle, B pillar, C pillar, which looks really good. It's very typical old school Merc style. I like the set of Mercs, they look really good. You can also see even from here that the tail lamp is detailed. So let's move to the back. You got nicely detailed tail lamps finished in red. You also got the 500SEL badge, the Mercedes badge, and a small spoiler on the trunk. Not a huge one. Where's the exhaust? It's there, twin on the side. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Two differences: first, the windows are down; second, the fuel filler is here. And this looks from the top, so there is a cutout for sunroof. This looks from the bottom. So overall, well, I really like this casting. I like these old school, well, these are not that old, but still old school Mercedes. They look really good, and this one, especially with small window down, it looks really nice, and they have done a nice job to replicate the car from the movie. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.